Check out my new haul of these Aviator sunglasses. Affordable and stylish, oversized metal frame to flatter multiple face shapes. Very cheap too, might I add, and good quality. Now, if you want to get a little more colorful, I got a second pair that actually is got the vintage pattern with the playful round frames. Ooh, girl, I love it. Now, both pairs weigh about 14 grams or approximately a ½ ounce, which makes them super light, comfortable, and easy to wear. And depending on the type of glasses you buy, it can either have a prescription or not. It could be single vision, bifocal, progressive. You can also add extras like for driving, blue light blocking, tint, mirror, photochromic, or polarized. Plus, it comes with scratch-resistant lens coating. Hey, they even give you a 60-day return or exchange and a 365-day limited warranty. So, you know, these glasses are not only cute, but you want to protect them. So they give you a hard case that comes with a very soft pouch that not only doubles as protection for the glasses to put them in, but also as a cleaning cloth. 2 for 1, can't beat it. And let me tell you, ordering is so fast and easy. You can do it online, submit your prescription if you have one. You can check out your own facial structure and see which ones will look good on you. They got first-class customer service, and depending on where you live in the world, it can ship anywhere up to 14 days. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and if you want your own pair, then check out my exclusive link below the video and get 50% off now on me.